How do Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers work? Tesla Model 3 wheel spacer can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers can help the vehicle with modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders. Now ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle, the legs of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and check-built appearance. Using Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers allow you to safely fit better tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality. And more than 66 SGS and TV test reports, BONOSS also provides a choice of wheel spacer size, from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is iron alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will therefore endanger some safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged active-cooling Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers are designed with heat dispersion rules to make brake fluid better, distribute impact to shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, increasing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you a peace of mind.